In this lecture, we are going to look at Google Tag Manager interface. I will give you a quick overview and then we will dive into each of the sections of the admin page in detail. If you have signed out and need to get back into Google Tag Manager, you'll go to google.com/analytics/tag-manager and then click on sign in and choose Tag Manager. This will bring you to a screen where you can see all your accounts as well as containers. So we were working on Global Analytics Academy account, Analytics Hire container. So go ahead and click on it. And now you are into Google Tag Manager interface. So first screen you are seeing here it's called Workspace. Workspace is a place where you do all your work about editing the tags, making them live, etc. We are going to look into this tab in detail in future lectures. Then you have versions. Versions is where you can see and manage all the different versions of your container. An admin area where you can change account settings, add users, change container settings, etc. We will go into this tab in detail in next few lectures. Let's go back to Workspace. I want to show you a few other things. One of them is the container ID or container number, which is available right here. This number identifies your container. This number comes in handy when you're using third-party tool to implement Google Tag Manager code. Particularly useful in WordPress sites where you will generally use a plugin to implement Google Tag Manager. And all you have to do in those plugins is to put this container ID. Also, if you ever quickly need snippets of code that go on your web pages, then you can simply click this container ID and you will have your Google Tag Manager code snippet. And then you have options to preview, submit your workspace. In the next few lectures, we are going to dive deeper into each of these tabs in detail.